CC6, write a formula for an arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic, they're going to be going up by the same amount every single time. But whenever, let's just see what we're going up or down by. So this right here, we would be going down -8, -8, and -8. But when whatever you're going down by is what your first term is, then we're going to be multiplying that first term by n to figure out what your number is going to be in any term whatsoever. It says write an expression to describe the sequence below. This is the expression. Use n to represent the position of a term in the sequence where n equals 1 for the first term. So if what you are adding or subtracting every time is what your first term is, then you're just going to take your first term and multiply it by n. What's happening here? We are going up by 1 every single time, right? And this is not 1. So if I'm going to use n, and I'm going to add 1 every single time to get to the next number, what would I start off with first if I'm adding 1 to it to get 9? N plus 9. Okay? Minus 34, minus 34, minus 34, and this is -34. So our term's going to be not that, because I can't write. Y'all know that by now. -34n. We are going up 1 every time. So if I'm going to use n and I'm adding 1 to it to get to -68 at the very beginning, it'd be -69 plus n, or n minus 69. Either one of those is going to work because you get -68 the first time you put 1 in both ways, because the negative's with the 69, basically. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, and this is 10. So our expression is going to be 10n. And then we're looking for the 9th term this time. So if we're looking for a term, we're looking for n, and our n is going to be 9. So this is going to be 10 times 9, which is 90. It's going up by 1 every time, so how would I get to -3? -4 plus n, or n minus 4, and then I put 9 into that, and I get 5 for the 9th term.